Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to discuss about the programming in C and data structures, which is related with the placement training. So we are moving for lead code training from December first week onwards. So in that we are going to focus about the programming basic and also uh, C and data structures. So in this first one, the basic blocks of computers, algorithms, pseudocodes, flowcharts, structure of C program, data types, variables, constants, operators, and inputs, output statement. So whenever we are going for working with lead code, that is a programming language. So we need to know about the data types. So what are the types of data? So we having a different types of data. One is fundamental data types, derived types, and user-defined types. So in this fundamental types, we having an integer, floating, character, and void. So here, so derived types, the arrays, flow, pointers, structures, and unions, and user-defined types is type diff and enum. So whereas fundamental types, we having an integer, it holds the numbers, and floating point value is it holds the decimal numbers. Character is holds the characters, and void is no return type. So likewise, arrays, pointers, and structures and union. So in this integer type, we can go for integer type. The integers are whole numbers that we can have both positive and negative values, but no decimal values. So example zeros, -5, 10. So in C programming, the keyword int is used for declaring integer variables. The example int id. So id is a variable of integer type in type integer. So we can declare multiple variables at once in C programming. So int id comma age. So int id comma age. So int is the int type of the data. So ID is the that is it is a variable name. Age is the variable name. So C supports a different size of integer data type, short int, integer, that is int, and long int. So next one is second one is floating. The floating types. The floating type variables can hold real numbers such as 2.034 and -9.382, etc. We can declare a floating point variables in C by using either float or double keywords. Example, float balance, double price. So the types of floats are float, double, and long double. So difference between float and double. The size of float is 4 bytes and the size of double is 8 bytes, and floating point variable has a precision of 6 digits, whereas the precision of double is 14 digits. So next one is characters, the character types. The keyboard character is used for declaring the type variables. So character text equal to h. So here text is the character variables. The value of text is h. The size of the characters variable is 1 byte. So void has no values. The type of function is so said to be void. It does not return any value to the calling functions. So here this is the chart of this data types, fundamental data types. So the character holds the size by 1 byte of size. It values ranges from 128 to 127. The format string is %C. So unsigned character is 0 to 255 %C. So likewise, short or int is it holds the size of 2 bytes of data. -3 to 7682 plus 3 to 767. %I or %D will be holds the format string. So likewise, the unsigned integer is also bytes 2, and it holds the 0 to 655535, and %U is the unsigned format string. Long value is 4 bytes. Likewise, the decimal number, that is the -2 minus numerical number 2, positive numerical number 21474834647. So the format string will be %LD. Likewise unsigned long 4 bytes. Likewise float values 4 bytes. It holds the 3.44 e power 3 minus 3838 to 3.4 e plus 338. So double is 8, 1.7 to e power -308 to plus 1.7 E plus 308. So long double is holds the 10, 3.42, likewise this one. So he has used a defined data type. So thank you for listening this video. We can go for next next video. I will discuss with our user defined data type and also some additional point of this one. Because whenever we are using Leet code, we must program. We used to discuss about the data types. Okay, from the basic we need to know. Thank you.